Hello everyone and welcome back to Plot Hole Productions. I'm your host Nate Slater here once again for another exciting episode of Pack Attack. Folks, in this episode we have a sealed box of Black Bolt and White Flare tins. We're going to open it. It comes with, I believe, 8 tins, and I believe each tin comes with some sort of like trinket and 2 booster packs. So the only way we're going to find out is if we get into it. Okay, folks, we got our box of tins here. You can see it's still sealed. I don't know what to expect from this. I've only ever opened the 151 tins, and I know they come with 2 booster packs of coin and like some weird art piece, so I'm assuming this is going to be the same. We'll just put the little display there. I guess we'll put it here. We'll put our little podium of power here. If we get any good hits, well, we'll turn it this way. Anyway, we got our first tin. This is Trubbish, I believe. I believe that's that guy's name. I'm learning. Now that it's in English, I'm learning a little bit. We're cutting into this here. There's going to be a lot of plastic all over the place, but here's the tin. A little information on the back there, and we're gonna open it up. We got stuck packs. I'm gonna assume it's one of each, but who knows? Yep, look, comes with 1 pack of each, and it comes with a comes with like a sticker of, you know, what's on the tin, and it comes with like a little card with some information about it. That's pretty neat. Okay, so should we open all the tins first and then do the packs? Yeah, let's do that. Let's open the tins and then do the packs. That makes sense. That way we can just do this a little bit quicker. We got this crocodile thing. The whole trick to get these out of here. I'll show you the stickers and the cards as we get through them quickly. Here you go. Next we got this one. Got our little sticker and card here. It's gonna be easier. We'll just take them all out and then put all the tins, empty tins, back in here. Makes sense, right? Right. We got this fish tin here. Fish tin. I can never say its name. It's like Alamomo or something. Whatever. I'll try and say it later when we're actually getting through the cards. There you go. There's the information on that one. Next, this guy. If at any point you guys want to fast forward to get to the pack opening, I don't blame you. I get it. Got this guy here. That. I'm going to try and make this as entertaining as possible while I do this. Just be my goofy self. We got that plant creature Pokémon right here. We got the lantern thing here. I always find weird. Sticker. The card. Last tin. It's just funny how Pokemon does these like gimmicks. Like, who really needs these? Like, what are you really going to use these for? Yes, I assume to put like loose cards in, but why? Or like knickknacks? I don't know. I think it's a waste. Just sell booster packs, people. And we got the card and the sticker right there. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 and 8 packs. We're going to start here with this one. Hey, maybe we'll get a God pack out of this. But for you guys, because you went through all those tins, here you go, guys. Help yourself to a code card. All right, here we go. Lampent, Deerling, Mindfu, Ducklet, Ignition Energy. I just love this card, how it looks. And I guess its effect is decent. Swoobat, Mandibuzz. Ooh, is that a Master Ball? Yeah, we got a Master Ball. First pack. Stunfisk. We got a Master Ball. So there's a hit. Reverse Lit Wick. We got Terrakion. I guess that's how you say its name. And we got a Fighting Energy. Alright, we'll do a Black Bolt. Let's see if Black Bolt can beat the White Flare Master Ball. Here we go. Code card. Palpitoad. Clink. Tranquil. Emolga. Professor's Research. Cryonagle. Pokegear 3.0. We got a reverse Lilligant. A reverse Victini. Interesting. Oh, and it's a rare. Okay, and then we got a EX Excadrill. Okay. And we got our... what was it? Steel Energy. Alright, seeing that we didn't get a big hit, we're going to keep going with Black Bolt until we get a hit. That's what we'll do. Whenever we get a hit, we switch. Or if we don't get a hit, we just keep going until we're out. So here we go. Palpitoad. Fracture. Venipede. Servine. Scolipede. Prism Energy. Ooh, okay. That looks pretty neat. I wonder what it looks like in reverse. Tortuga. Or Tortuga. We got a Pokeball. This might be a hit. I consider the Master Balls a hit, but we'll see. Pidove. Clank. Reverse. Caracosta. And we got the foil water energy and the code card for you folks. Okay, here we go. We got a code card. Got a Purloin. I'm guessing how you say that name. Woobat. Scraggy. Basculin. Stunfisk. Swoobat. Leopard. Or leopard. Leopard, whatever. Vanilletti. I guess that's how you pronounce that. Reverse. Embor. Reverse. We got EX. Hex. Or Hydreion. Sorry. Hydreion EX. I guess that's what it is. Yeah, Hydreion EX. And we got an energy. EX is kind of a minor hit. So I guess, yeah, we'll switch back to White Flare. So here's the rule for this. If we get an EX, a Pokeball, a Master Ball, or a big hit, we switch. That's how we're going to do it, folks. So now we're switching back to Black Flare. I have a feeling I'm going to have to do quite a decent amount of editing for this, but we'll see. Code card. Rufflet. Timber. Panard. Croak-Oroko. I give up. Seismitoad. Lilligant. Professor's Research. Having flashbacks. Chubcho. Reverse. Larvesta. Reverse. Clanklang. And Fire. So, no hits in this. So, here we go. Next pack. Ready? Code card. Got Tranquil, Timber, Mana, Snivy, Gorlock, Scolipede, Simipour, Pokeball, Tynamo, Reverse, Coblin, I'm guessing that's his name, and a regular rare Coblin, and an energy. Now moving back to white flare. Next pack. Code card. Lampent. Deerling. Galvantula. Ooh, look at that. We got a Pokeball of Zwellius, I guess that's his name. Reverse Vullaby. Tornadus, the rare card, and a Fire Energy. Alright, so back to Black Bolt for our next pack. Ugh. This does get tiring at times, people. Code card. Pansage. Panpour. Ooh. Cover fossil. Interesting. Okay. Electros. Reverse ends plan. It's me. It's my plan. Reverse Snivy. Huxorus. And, ooh, foil electric energy. So no hits. So you know what that means. We continue. Another Black Bolt. Okay. Code card. Okay. Palpitoad. Venipede. Sinisage. Reverse Servine. Okay. We got a hit. This looks like one of the bigger cards in the set. It's got the 2 stars. Exadrill EX. Nice. That's pretty neat. Yeah, wow. So 186 out of, or 168 out of 86. So I think in Black Bolt there's 172 or 73. So this is towards the end of that. So awesome. And then Landross, the rare, and then a basic energy. I don't know if White Flare is going to be able to keep up with this next pack here. So let's see if White Flare can make a comeback here. Here we go. Code card. Ducklet. Deerling. Boulder. Vullaby. Sharon, I guess that's his name, or maybe it's Sharon. I don't know. Levani, Scrafty, Reverse Panseer, Reverse Gotharita. Oh, wow. Huh. I didn't expect to get this. Okay, we did get a good card in this. Hydreion EX. This isn't as good as the Exadrill, but it's close to it. So yeah, look at that. Hydreion EX. Okay, cool. And then we got a foil water energy as a bonus. Sweet. So now we go back to Black Bolt. Here we go. For you guys, code card. For me, read through cards. Petilil, Timber, Pinard, Cincino, I guess. Electric. Fennel. Reverse Chronicle. Reverse Algium. Victini, the rare. And then another foil water energy. Okay. No hits out of the Black Bolt set. So here we go again. Last pack of Black Bolt. See if we can get another hit, folks. Here we go. Code card. Emolga, Golett, Tranquil, Maractus, Professor's Research, Unpheasant, Professor's Research Reverse, Rufflet Reverse, Thunderous, the rare, and then Electric Energy. Alright, so that's it for Black Bolt. So we're left with 1, 2, 3, 4 White Flare. Let's see if White Flare can get us a few more hits before it's done. Let's see. Code card. Gothita, Villainish, Purloin, Litwick, Tool Scrapper, Swanna, Energy Retrieval, Reverse, okay, cool. Cotton, or Cottony, or Cotton, no. Reverse, Zorak, the rare, and then Fire Energy Foil, nice. Next pack. Okay, here we go. Code card. Frillish. Dewott. Blitzel. Swack. Ignition Energy. Frillish. Reverse. Oh, okay. As well. Remember, I don't know all these names, so Zwillius, I'm guessing, art rare, and then Zorak, the rare, and then Water Energy. Next pack, the penultimate pack for this ripping here. Here we go. Code card. Swaddle, Litwick, Villainish, Plume Fossil, Sawsbuck, Reverse, Oshawott, Reverse, Heatmore, Samurott, the rare, and Psychic Energy. Last pack, folks. Is it going to be a God pack? We shall see. Here we go. Code card. Ferroseed, Trubbish, Oshawott, Yamask, Zebstrika, Brave Bangle, Villanux, Reverse Yamask, Reverse Basculin, and we got Terracon, the rare, and then Fire Energy. Well, folks, let's take a look and see what we got for the hits. We got Exadrill EX, Hydreion EX as the second best card, I'd say. Stunfisk Master Ball. We got Zwellius, the art rare. And we got a Pokeball of Pidove, Zwellius, Tynamo. We got Exadrill EX, and also Hydrogen EX as well. And that's pretty much it, folks. I think I did pretty well. Let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment down below. I'm still trying to figure out how to pronounce these Pokemon's names, seeing that this is my first time, interacting with this generation. It's all exciting for me and it's fun. So I want you guys to stick around for that. If you guys are new, please like and subscribe to the channel to keep up to date on all things Plothole Productions. Once again, I'm your host, Nate Slater, and I'll catch you all in the void.